Jamaica Defense Force is saddened by the tragic incident here this morning. The incident is currently being investigated by the police, and we are collaborating as best as possible. Our priority at this time is to offer support to family members and service members who were close to the service member. I want to also use this opportunity to appeal to the media and the public to be sensitive to the nature of this incident, and also to respect the privacy of the family members and the colleagues so affected.
Has the family been notified?
The family members are still being notified of the incident. As you can imagine, at this time the investigation is ongoing. More details are to come for them to be properly notified of the incident. At this time, that's the only information I have available. We are just like you, awaiting the outcome of the investigation. So far, there's nothing else I can share.